Hey everyone, if you have ever needed to remove a device from a Gmail account, whether it's an old phone or someone else's device, we have got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it directly from your phone in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you are in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your Google account settings. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Now swipe over to the Security tab. Tap Security tab. This is where you'll find all the security related settings for your account. Here scroll down until you see your devices section. This is where all devices connected to your Gmail account are listed. Tap on Manage all devices and you will see a list of all devices that have access to your Google account. Look for the device you want to remove. Once you find the device, tap on it. Now enter your password. Once you have entered your password, tap on Next. Then tap on Sign Out. Tap on Sign Out. This will remove access to your Gmail account from that device. Confirm that action, and just like that, the device is no longer connected to your Gmail account. And that's it. This is how you remove a device from your Gmail account on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.